Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2015 set 1 guys. Okay, so the given question is consider two decision problems Q1 and Q2 such that Q1 reduces in polynomial time to 3 sat problem, and the second one, that is a Q2, is 3 sat reduces in polynomial time to Q2. Then which one of the following is consistent with the above solutions? So basically let us recall few things guys. I think this topic, I did not explain you in TOC, but we have studied these things in where did we study guys? I think in algorithms or in data structures, right? Yes. Okay, so basically we are going to have multiple types of problems guys. So one is a polynomial time. So basically those problems can be solved in polynomial time. Okay, so few complex problems will take non-polynomial time guys. Okay, and a few problems are hard problems. So in NP only there is a class which might be open. So few students might be saying that it should not be closed. So these problems are NP hard problems. Okay, and these are non-polynomial time. This is polynomial time. This is non-polynomial time hard problems, and in between we are going to have non-polynomial complete problems. Got it? Yes. So this 3 sat problem belongs to this only guys. So 3 sat will sit in between these things. Okay. Yes. So now what they are saying is Q1 reduces in polynomial time to 3 sat problem. Okay. So they are saying it is reduced to 3 sat problem Q1. Okay. And 3 sat problem reduces in polynomial time to Q2. Okay. So then which one of the following is consistent is the question, right? Yes. Okay, so let us read the statements again guys. So statement Q1 says reduced in polynomial time to 3 sat. Means if we want to reduce it, we can reduce that Q1 to sat problem. So indirectly that Q1 might be here or that Q1 might be here, right? Yes. Okay, and when it comes to the second statement, okay, when it comes to the second statement, that is a Q2. So Q2 says it is a 3 sat problem reduced to polynomial time Q2. Okay. Okay, so means it is harder than this 3 sat problem, right? Yes, because it is reduced to. Okay, so I think most probably this Q2 belongs to NP hard, right? Yes. So now what they are asking in the question is they are asking where these two belongs to. So option A says Q1 is a non-polynomial time and Q2 is NP hard. I think this is correct. And when it comes to option B says Q2 is NP, so that's wrong. Option C says both are NP, that's also wrong. Option D says both are NP hard, so that's also wrong. So most possibly A will be the correct answer. Got it? Yes. So these questions are really easy guys. The only thing is if you understand this reducing order. So Q1 reduces in a polynomial time to sat. So sat is tougher than this. And when it comes to the second statement, 3 sat reduces in polynomial time to Q2. Means if you reduce it, you are going to get this. So that is nothing, but this is harder, right? Yes, Q2 is harder. So in simple words, you can remember in this way also. So if they say something reduces to something, means this is easier and this is harder guys. Got it? I remember in that way. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, right? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. It might be equal also guys. Okay, so to be clear, if in the question here Q1 will be there, here also Q2 will be there, so it might be equal to this 3 sat problem also. Okay. Yes. Okay, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, right? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.